Hey, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is PNWRC Madness, and we are in the madness right now. Check this out, guys. This is the TRAXXAS X Max and TRAXXAS XRT wall. We have all these parts on the website www.pnwrcmadness.com. And basically today, guys, I wanted to give you guys a little review on the GPM parts and the TREAL parts that I have installed on my XRT. So let me put the camera down, and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the upgrades that I think you need to get for your XRT and X Max. So let's do it. All right, so here are a few of the upgrades. Guys, I want to show you also as well. Check it out. We are carrying the Jconcepts Choppers, and we also have the Magmas. All right, so I've had this truck since it first came out. I'm going to say it's been about, I don't know, 8 months or so. And really, I've had a lot of great luck with the truck, and then not so great luck. So a few of the things that I want to show you are definitely some of my favorite upgrades for the XRT. Let me show you. Really quick, so the first upgrade I did to the truck was the steering rack. And what I did is I installed the GPM steering rack, and all these parts, guys, you can find them on my website, www.pnwrcmadness.com. The steering rack tends to bust loose right there on the end of your links, and it's constantly breaking, and it's just a lot of screws, a lot of work to get to it, you know, every time you break it. So I went ahead and added the 7075 aluminum GPM in black, and so far so good. Another thing that is tied to are these TREAL 7075 steering links, and connected to a GPM servo horn and servo drag link. Nothing is bent, so far so good. Do break a TREAL part or a GPM part, and it is, you know, not abuse, we'll warranty it for you. So go ahead, hit me up. We'll take care of you. If we have the part in stock, definitely get you a new one sent out. Try to get you on your way as soon as possible. Another awesome upgrade that I found is the GPM hinge pins. Now, they come in a set for the entire truck for the X Max, and then that same set works for your XRT as well, except for you can't use the top pin because the chassis is actually in the way. Alright, so another upgrade for the truck that I really do like, and it's going to save you a lot of money, is this. That's it right there. I'm sold out, but I'll have them here hopefully this coming Monday. This is the GPM BashBar 7075 aluminum. It is 1/4 inch thick, or 8 millimeters or so, and check it out. It's super unique. It bolts to the front of the truck and to the rear of the truck with 8 screws in total. If you keep breaking bulkheads or other parts of your truck chassis, this is going to be your solution right here. It's kind of spendy, but in the end, it's going to save you a ton of money and a lot of broken parts. All right, so the next upgrade I'm going to recommend for your truck, guys, is an upgraded Castle Creations or Hobby Wing ESC, and also a Hobby Wing or a Castle Creations motor, brushless 8S motor. You're going to need to get yourself a motor mount. You can find these on my website as well. These are heavy duty aluminum PNWRC Madness motor mounts. They move up and down on 2 7mm hex bolts, and they adjust super simple. Alright, so the next upgrade I definitely recommend getting are these PNWRC Madness battery straps. Now, if you've seen any of my videos, you've probably seen that I got videos where my straps, where my batteries fly out of the truck, and maybe you've done the same. But if you get these straps, they're Kevlar, they have metal buckles, and they're not going to break. and then they're bolted down to the chassis with 4mm thick carbon fiber plates. One other upgrade that I really do like, and out of stock in black right now, but it is going to be these GPM reservoir shocks made for the XRT. They make them specifically for the X-Max and XRT. Now the only thing that I have done different is I have taken out the GPM piston, and I also am using the XRT spring. So the stock spring, and I am using the stock XRT piston. I filled them with 50 in the back and 47.5 in the front. And guys, I'm going to show you in the dirt here in a little bit, but this truck is dialed and super strong. Okay, so there's a couple more upgrades I want to show you guys, and another one is going to be this GPM rear wing mount brace, I guess you could call it. They do come in white, but I actually dyed it black. Kind of has like a blue hue to it, and I dyed it for days just to try to get it. But anyways, that doesn't break. Looks nice. It looks to be machined out of some sort of Durlin. And then last but not least, guys, we're going to go ahead and strap on these awesome Jconcepts choppers. These have been amazing. I have run I don't know how many packs through these. I've pulled my car. You can see they're kind of starting to wear down. That's just from driving them on the asphalt, pulling the car, like I said. All right, so attached to that steering bell crank, we are running a ProTech 1K TBL, and we are running the GPM servo horn off of that with a TREAL servo arm from a stock TREAL servo horn. So guys, let's go ahead, bolt on the tires. We just refilled the shocks, fresh fluid. I got some tips and tricks on how to build these. I might do a video on that later, but until then, guys, let's go ahead and take it for a rip.